The surface, many businesses appear to thrive. Their offices are busy, their teams are growing, and their products are everywhere. Yet beneath this activity, a quieter reality often exists. Many of these seemingly successful companies quietly struggle with their finances. It's a subtle truth that rarely makes headlines. Outward success does not always mean financial health. Today we'll explore a quiet financial rule that separates businesses that endure from those that falter. This rule isn't flashy or complicated, but it's quietly powerful. Let's begin by understanding why so many businesses, despite their apparent success, find themselves in financial distress. Easy to be impressed by a company's growth, new hires, expanding offices, and rising sales. But financial health is not always visible. Many businesses, while growing, quietly face cash shortages, delayed payments, or mounting expenses. The reality is that financial struggle can be masked by activity and optimism. This is where the quiet financial rule comes into play. It's a principle that doesn't seek attention but quietly protects those who follow it. Before we reveal the rule, let's look at why appearances can be deceiving. Quiet financial rule is simple. Always manage your cash flow with more discipline than your profit. In other words, never let your cash position fall behind your growth. This rule is often overlooked because profit and cash are easily confused. Profit is what you see on paper, cash is what you can actually use. Successful businesses quietly prioritize cash flow, ensuring they have enough liquidity to weather slow periods, pay bills on time, and invest in real opportunity. Let's break down what this rule really means. Imagine a business that sells $100,000 worth of products in a month. On paper, that's a strong profit. But if customers pay late or inventory costs are high, the business might only have $10,000 in the bank. This gap between profit and cash is where many businesses stumble. Cash flow is about timing, when money comes in and when it goes out. Managing this flow with discipline means tracking every dollar, planning for delays, and never assuming profit equals spendable cash. Let's see how this plays out in real scenarios. Consider a small design agency. They land a big client and invoice $50,000. Excited, they hire new staff and upgrade their office. But the client pays 60 days later while salaries and rent are due now. The agency's profit looks great, but their cash runs dangerously low. This is a classic case of ignoring the quiet rule. If they had managed cash flow with discipline, they would have waited for payment before expanding. This example shows how easy it is to break the rule, even with good intentions. Liquidity is the ability to cover immediate expenses with available cash. Businesses that follow the quiet rule always keep a buffer, enough cash to handle surprises, delays, or downturns. This buffer isn't about hoarding money, it's about stability. When a business has liquidity, it can pay suppliers, employees, and taxes without stress. It can also seize opportunities without scrambling for loans. Liquidity is the silent protector of strong businesses, and it's built by following the quiet rule. Growth is exciting, and it's easy to get swept up in the momentum. Many businesses unintentionally break the quiet rule by spending ahead of their cash. They hire, invest, and expand based on projected profits, not actual cash in hand. This creates a fragile situation. One late payment or unexpected expense can trigger a cash crisis. The discipline to wait, to plan, and to protect cash flow is what sets resilient businesses apart. Let's look at the subtle signs that a business is breaking the rule. Signs of breaking the quiet rule are often subtle. Maybe payroll is delayed by a few days or suppliers start calling for payment. Perhaps the business starts using credit lines more frequently. These are not dramatic failures but quiet signals that cash flow discipline is slipping. Successful businesses notice these signs early and adjust. They slow spending, chase receivables, and rebuild their cash buffer. It's a calm, methodical response, not a panic. Picture two offices. In one, the team works steadily, bills are paid on time, and there's a quiet confidence in the air. In the other, there's tension, emails about overdue payments, last-minute scrambles to cover payroll, and a sense of unease. The difference isn't luck or talent, it's the quiet rule at work. The calm office has disciplined cash flow management. The stressed office has let growth outpace cash. This contrast is often invisible to outsiders, but it's deeply felt by those inside. Successful businesses use minimal, clear dashboards to track cash flow. These dashboards don't overwhelm with data, they focus on the essentials: cash in, cash out, and cash on hand. By keeping things simple, leaders can spot trends and issues early. This quiet, ongoing attention to cash flow is a hallmark of disciplined businesses. It's not about flashy reports, it's about clarity and control. Visualizing cash and profit over time reveals important patterns. A business might show rising profits but flat or declining cash. This is a warning sign. By mapping these timelines, leaders can see when cash is at risk and take action. The quiet rule means always watching the cash line, not just the profit line. This perspective helps businesses avoid surprises and stay resilient. Steady cash position brings calm and confidence. Stressed cash creates anxiety and distraction. The difference often comes down to following the quiet rule. Businesses with steady cash can focus on customers, innovation, and growth. Those with stressed cash are forced into short-term decisions, often at the expense of long-term health. This subtle difference shapes the entire business experience. Optimism is important in business, but discipline is essential. The quiet rule requires leaders to make decisions based on cash realities, not hopes or projections. This means sometimes saying no to new hires, delaying investments, or holding off on expansion until the cash is truly there. It's a calm, measured approach that builds strength over time. Growth is only valuable if it turns into real, usable cash. The quiet rule ensures that every new client, every sale, and every expansion actually strengthens the business financially. By managing cash flow with discipline, businesses turn growth into lasting value, not just impressive numbers on a report. This is how strong companies quietly build wealth over time. When cash flow is managed well, decision-making becomes calm and strategic. Leaders can plan for the future, invest wisely, and respond to challenges without panic. The quiet rule creates space for thoughtful choices rather than rushed reactions. This calmness is a competitive advantage, especially in uncertain times. Clients and partners notice when a business is financially stable. There's a premium feel, a sense of reliability and trust. This reputation is built quietly over time by following the financial rule we've discussed. It's not about boasting or flashy announcements. It's about consistent, disciplined management that inspires confidence. Whether you're just starting out or have years of experience, the quiet rule applies. Beginners can avoid early mistakes by focusing on cash flow from day one. Experienced owners can strengthen their businesses by returning to this fundamental principle. The rule is timeless and universal, quietly guiding businesses of all sizes and stages. Despite its importance, the quiet financial rule is often ignored. The excitement of growth, the pressure to impress, and the confusion between profit and cash all contribute. Yet those who quietly follow the rule build businesses that last. They avoid crises, seize opportunities, and create real value. It's a lesson learned by experience, but it can be adopted by anyone at any stage. Summarize, the quiet financial rule is about managing cash flow with more discipline than profit. It means tracking cash, building liquidity, and making decisions based on what's available, not just what's promised. This rule is simple, but it's not always easy. It requires ongoing attention, patience, and calm leadership. Yet it's the foundation of every strong, resilient business. In business, the loudest voices often get the most attention, but the quiet rule works in the background, quietly shaping the future of those who follow it. It's not about hype or motivation, it's about clarity, trust, and calm strength. As you reflect on your own business, consider how this rule might quietly protect and empower you now and in the years to come. Most successful businesses are not always the loudest or the fastest growing. They are the ones that quietly manage their finances with discipline and care. The quiet financial rule is their secret, simple, steady, and strong. By following it, any business can build a foundation for lasting success no matter what the future holds.